Hi, this is Adam from Small Town Machine Shop. Tonight, hopefully, we'll get this guy driving under its own power. Well, kind of. I got a customer showing up, so I don't know how much time I'm going to have to work on this tonight, but I got the power feed. Got a belt for it. Got to belt it up. Now, this is very crude. This was on it when I got it. Ideally, especially when going from a big to a small pulley, you'd want the tensioner to come in to get as much wrap as possible on the smaller pulley. This I don't think will be an issue, but I will definitely be redoing this. This is just, what was here, so I used it. I got the drawbar in front there. I'm going to cut this off to length. I just got everything tightened and making all my cuts. Then we will put the pulleys on. We gotta do some machine moving and clean up my work area here to get them to align, and then yeah, we can bring this mill back to life. Okay, I'll bring you along. Okay, the two main drive belts I got, I need to go get. They're riding too high in that pulley. I don't like it. But for the purposes what we're doing today, they'll work. Got that mounted. Man, those cheap pulleys, they're cheap. They're not super round. So I'll make a tensioner for it. But we should be ready to go. So, the spindle is turning. The power feed is working. Very cool. This thing is just a menagerie of pulleys and belts and many things that are moving. Definitely not something to run with kids in the house or in the shop. Take that off. Very cool. Take off our power feed. Go around here. Oh, I walked the table to my walking area. Ugh. As you can see, these pulleys, these belts are too wide. They're not sitting down in there, so we're having that issue, which I'll just go get two smaller belts tomorrow. Stay nice and cool. Cool. Then, they're riding nice and deep in these, but just, halfway out of there. And then, yeah, very cool. Let me actually do that. The lathe headstock is powering the mill. Let's go back over here. Front the other way, make sure that's off, Done. Power feed, engage. Now we're going the other way. Again, you could do all of this with a VFD. But this is just awesome. Get those new belts on it and it will be ready to go. It is ridiculous. It is quite ridiculous for the size it takes up and all that, but awesome. So the milling machine is back in action. I'll get the vise mounted to it. And yeah, this weekend we'll take some cuts with it. Very cool. There'll be some upgrades to it in the future. I'm going to change that tensioner setup, like I said. I'm going to clean this up a little bit. I would like to add the clutch into it. But, you know, with the rod right there. But it's 100% usable as I change the belts, as it is. I would like to thank everyone throughout this project for not being... I was expecting to get a lot of hate and negative comments about how stupid this was. But no, everyone was positive and liking the videos, and I super appreciate it. You know, that lathe was trash. The bed of the Boyne Emmis lathe was trash. But we were able to save what we could and make a functional machine out of it. And yeah, cool. And I'm going to make other pulleys so I could power, you know, I got a bunch of extra flat belt pulleys laying around to bolt on that hub. You know, I could use this to power lots of things. So yeah, I could not be happier with the way this project turned out. And I'm going to do a little cleanup job on this guy too. Very cool. This is Adam from Small Town Machine Shop. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.